question for you guys.
Okay, so it's just one question long. It's a quiz question. We want to know, what is your primary sex organ? Primary sex organ.
The brain.
The brain. Very good. It is the brain. Was anyone thinking penis, vagina? A couple people. Okay, but why is it your brain? Why is it your brain?
Because the brain releases oxytocin and serotonin during sex. So
Okay.
Yeah, hormones are released. What else?
It's where you make decisions.
Yeah, make choices. It would be kind of difficult to have sex if you didn't have a brain, right? Yes. Now listen, penis, vagina, those are definitely important to different aspects of sex, obviously, but it is your brain. Now, what kind of distinguishes, let's say, our brain from like a dog's brain? Is there a difference? Yeah. What about, let's say, when it comes to sex? Is there a difference when it comes to sex? Do you think that they think about all these things when they're having sex? Did you ever like come home from school and your dog just has like a pile of money around it and you're like, how did you get this? Does that happen? Hopefully not, that'd be horrifying. Or like your dog comes home at like 3 a.m. drunk, like stumbling, and you're just like, I mean, you guys can laugh because this is obviously not serious. Hopefully that doesn't happen to your animal, right? And so how long is their list? What does their list consist of? Sniff and go, right? They work off of instinct, but we as humans, we have this ability, because we have a brain, to go through this entire list, right? And like Jenna said, this is an excellent list, but if we took the entire class, which is a little less than 30 minutes, we could definitely get more on the board, right? And we all have different thoughts and opinions about all of them. And so when it comes to you guys, students, and sexual education, there's typically 2 camps that people place themselves in. All right, so they have this one side that says students, they're just raging with hormones, they cannot control themselves, let's give them a condom and hope for the best. They have like no faith in you. And then the other side that says, if you have sex, you will get pregnant, you will get an STD, and you will die. The end. Kind of like Mean Girls, all right? But we stand in the middle between the two, and we say, but you have a brain. You have the ability to control yourself. Yes, there are truths. Like, yes, let me tell you, STDs, pregnancy will definitely change your life. All right? And yes, you have hormones. I have hormones. I understand, but you have that brain. Right, you have that ability to control yourself. All right, like I said at the beginning, we've gone to a lot of schools. All right, we go to over 30 schools a school year. We see over 4,000 students every year. And so can we all agree that I've been in a lot of schools? It's my 5th year teaching, right? So I've been in a lot of schools. And so not once in all of those years have I ever seen anyone having sex in the hallway. Why not? If you're all raging with hormones, shouldn't I just be like, oh, heading to class, gotta step over this kid, oh, another kid. Shouldn't I just be like stepping over kids all the time having sex in the hallway? If you're all just raging with hormones? But why is that not happening? I mean, I know it happens to some places, but why is it not happening everywhere I go? Tell me why.
because we have self-control.
You have self-control, common sense.
It would be embarrassing.
It would be embarrassing. Does anyone in here go to school with any of their siblings? Couple people. I went to school with my brother, my younger brother, and my older sister. Worst day of my life if I was to walk down the hall and see either one of them having sex with anybody. Pluck my eyeballs out, hide in my room, never come out, right? Principal could walk by, teacher could walk by, right? So you have this brain that tells you not the right place, not the right time. So it's not like we were just walking and slipped, fell, and had sex. It's a series of these different choices in this mind, this brain that tells you what to do and not to do. All right? And so, as cheesy and corny as it sounds, and you guys have heard it all the time, but your choices matter. That's reality. Every decision that you make in life, all right, can have a positive or negative reaction to that. And you guys have the ability to make choices. We want to empower you to know that.